Hello, hello, hello. It is Friday evening. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Gabby. I'm a New York City-based life and style content creator. I'm also a full-time PhD student. Today we are starting a new vlog. Officially summer in the city, which is so exciting. And tomorrow we're going to a Who What Wear summer kickoff party in the Hamptons. I'm having a chill Friday, which I think I just badly needed. I've had such a busy past couple of weeks. So yeah, we're chilling. We're gonna watch some TV, listen to some music, order some food. I just got back from CVS. They sell loupes now, which is really exciting because I wanted to do a face mask, but I didn't have any that were really calling to me. So I got two of them. I got the double take, Glow, Hydrate, Refine, and Brighten. Weekly Reset, Rejuvenate, Hydrate, Plump, and Refine. We're also in the middle of a heat wave in New York, so I'm like sweating, but that's okay. I'm gonna pop on the AC. Well, actually I'm gonna hop in the shower because I feel really gross. Happy Friday. Hope you're all having a beautiful whenever you're watching this. Yeah, happy summer. Also, what is happening here? Don't love that. Hello, hello, hello. I'm doing my makeup very quickly. We have to head out soon. But one of my favorite products recently has been this Laneige glowy makeup serum. It's very good. Today for complexion, I'm gonna use the Fenty Skin Hydrovisor Hues. I believe I'm shade 6 or 7. I don't really remember, but I try to do the 2-finger method as close as possible. And I really like this one. I hope you can hear me too because my AC is on. It's summer, it's hot, you know the drill. It's a mineral sunscreen, but it acts like a tinted moisturizer. And I think this is a really good option if you like mineral sunscreens but you have darker skin. With a mineral sunscreen, I genuinely just think you cannot get rid of the white cast. It's just the nature of zinc oxide. It is like a white compound. It's going to make you look a little Caspery. But because this is tinted, like a tinted moisturizer, I think it really does work for a range of different skin tones. And honestly, I think this is probably my favorite Fenty complexion product, which is also tea. Going to use a little bit of concealer. We are really in summertime because I had to go up a shade. Do eyebrows with the Benefit 24-hour brow setter. If you're interested in seeing more breakdowns of my makeup looks, I'd highly recommend going to my TikTok and looking at that. I post a lot of tutorials and inspo over there. I like to keep the YouTube a little bit more lifestyle. And TikTok is where I do a lot of beauty and fashion stuff. So if that's at all an interest to you, I would go over there and check that out. I'm currently in the battle of the Say bronzers. I think I like Deep Bronze of the Sunmelt better, but I like the formula of the Dew Bronze. It's tough, but I think today, because I kind of want that sun-kissed summer vibe, if I can open it.
Good morning, Gabby. It's 8:49 a.m.
I got a couple of new shades of the Westman Atelier blush. Been following my videos for a while, you know I love. So I'm gonna use the shade Dodo, I think. And it's just like a really pretty pinky color. These are super pigmented and I think they are gorgeous. Would recommend. They're very pricey though, so it might be a little bit of a jump scare when you go into their website. Going for kind of fairy princess in the garden vibe today. Gorge, gorge, gorge. I think I'm gonna use this Mango People highlighter I really like. I like to put this on the back of my hand first and then apply it here. And it's just like that kind of gorgeous, like wet sheen almost that I think is really pretty. For the under eye, I'm gonna use the Laura Mercier loose setting powder, but this is in the rose version. It's actually very stunning. And I'm going to use just like a fluffy brush. Gonna take the Ami Collet loose setting powder. Laura Mercier powder puff. Cool. And then I think on the eyes, usually I do the Fenty, but I think I'm gonna switch it up. I think I'm gonna be a little crazy, and I think I'm gonna use Orchid from Laura Mercier. It's their Caviar eyeshadow stick. I think that's just so stunning and beautiful. Okay, and then no mascara because I do not like mascara. Alright, we are gonna curl those eyelashes. Okay, for the lip, gonna use Jazzberry from CoverGirl. Really pretty lip stain. I'm gonna line my lips with hot cocoa, maybe. And then I need to go get my lip gloss, but I'm gonna top it with the CoverGirl Yummy Gloss in the shade Sunrise Blush. It's gonna be really pretty. But that is the routine for today. Cute. Okay, outfit is on, makeup is done. I think we're ready to head out. Let's do a quick OOTD and then we'll get going. Cute. Okay, so we are wearing this cute corset dress. I actually don't know what the brand is. I'm renting it off of Newly and I wanted to get one good wear out of it, so put this on today. It's very cute, very Hamptons I feel. So that is the fit, and then I just went with my Cezanne pearl drop hoop earrings, and I have a couple of my permanent bracelets. I'm gonna add some rings, and I have a pearl necklace on, and that is the vibe. hello, it is now the next day. We got back kind of late. I don't feel like I did a good job of explaining what was going on yesterday, but I went to a Who What Wear summer kickoff party in Montauk, and it was a little bit overwhelming. I didn't really vlog that much, to be honest, but they had a lot of different brand partners there that we got to interact with, and I went to try out the Dashing Diva gel manicure kits. I've been doing my own nails for over a year, but I haven't really gotten into the like sticker situation, so that's what it is. It's like stickers that you cure, and it like is hard like a gel nail polish. And I did this fun blue color, and I think they turned out really well. I had to redo a couple because I think she used like the toe strips on this hand for some reason. So I redid it, and it was actually good though that I redid it, because I was really like, okay, but is this easy to do? Like, can I do this myself? And I actually think it looks better after I did it, so tea. But that's why I was in the Hamptons yesterday. It's still really hot, which I'm like sweating. I need to go stand in front of the AC, but I wanted to quickly end off this video. I hope that you enjoyed. I will see you next week. I'm going to film a week in my life this week, so if there's any segments that you want to see, let me know. The last few weeks have been like really overwhelming, so I've just been vlogging on the weekends, so I'm excited that I'll kind of have a little bit of a less stressful week this week, so that we can get a good vlog in, you know. But yeah, be sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment down below. Say hello. Love chatting with y'all. Cute. Happy Sunday.